Today we are repairing Asus Google Chromebook and the Google Chromebook keyboard. That is the keyboard and some of the keys are not working. So this is we need to replace. So some laptop they don't have any separate keyboard, so we have to change the whole part of that. This is called palm rest. So you can see. So we so now today we are going to replace that. So this is the old one. I just taken it out, and there's the new one in here. I just installed it. So now I'm putting the whole motherboard in here. That's motherboard and that's connection and speaker and everything. And this is the new. This is the new keyboard. Thank you.